Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will introduce you to HTML and also show you how to create a folder for your project step by step until we start coding. If you are a beginner, don't worry, I will explain everything slowly so you can follow along. So now, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Is the basic building block of every website. Think of it like the skeleton of a web page. It holds everything together. Later we will use CSS for design and JavaScript for interactivity. But HTML is where it all begins. Now let's create a folder. To create a folder, we go to our document. Inside our document, we create a folder. You right click, go to new and go to your folder. We can call the folder my HTML work. Then inside your my HTML work, double click it and create another folder for your images. That is the images you will use for your HTML work, and call it images. You can still create another folder for our media in case we are going to put videos or audios. We call it media. So now that we have created all this folder inside my HTML work, let's go back to my HTML work. If you click it, you will see the two folders inside it. One is images, one is media. Inside these images, we put the whole images we are going to use for our work. Inside the media, we put the whole video and audios we are going to use for our media. So now we are done with this. We now go to our VS Code. In our VS Code now, we go to File. Inside the file, we open the folder. When we open the folder, because our folder is in the document, we go to Document and look for my HTML work. Then see my HTML work here. I click it and select the folder. So when you have selected the folder, if you look at your left hand side of your VS Code, you will see my HTML work. Under it, you will see images and you will see the media. That are the folders we have created already. Now bring your cursor nearer to my HTML work. You will see some icons lining up. It's like they are four. From your left, click on the first one and write it index.html. Then click outside. When you click outside, then it will bring a blank space in the VS Code. That's where we are going to be writing our code. So now that we have learned what HTML is, we have learned how to create our folders, let's write our first HTML simple code. To start, just click Shift+1, enter. It will bring some lines of code. These lines of code is the simplest block of HTML code. Let's treat them one by one so that you will know what each one represents, the function of every line of the code. So now, first is the doc type. The doc type, this is the browser, is HTML5. Then the second one is HTML. The HTML wraps the whole entire web page. Then we come to head. The head contains information about the page. The head contains the information about the page, like the title of the page. Let's say The title of the page now is VTech Academy. VTech Academy. Academy. VTech Academy is the title of our website. Now we now go to the head. The body, the body contains the content we see on the web page. So whatever you are seeing on a website is inside the body. Now let's just say hello world. Forget about this p tag I'm writing. We are still going to treat it later in our future tutorial. Let's hello world. Hello world. Hello world. Yeah. Now we have the VTech Academy as our title of the page. Inside the body now we wrote hello world. Now let's preview how it will look in our website. To preview it, just right click on your VS Code and come down to open with live server and click it. It will open in our website, in our web browser. It will open in our web browser. See it now. The title of our web page is VTech Academy and the hello world is inside the body. Hello world is inside the body. So now in this tutorial you have learned what HTML is, how to set up a folder for your project, and how to write your first HTML code. In the next video we will break down the HTML structure and learn more tags you will use every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss in the next lesson.